The Bayelsa State Governor, Douye Diri, has appealed to the federal government to implement a federal high court judgment ordering the payment of $951 billion as shortfall in oil derivation revenue due to the state. This is as Governor Diri also received a report and recommendations of a bipartisan committee tasked with bringing peace in the southern Ijaw Council area. Joseph Kunde has details.
It is the 39th State Executive Council meeting in the Government House in Agua. However, this took a different proceeding as Governor Douye Diri receives a report and a 7-point recommendation from a 10-member resolution bipartisan committee saddled with resolving the communal crisis between Paramabri and Ayamama communities of the Southern Ijaw Council area.
We know that SPDC operations in the area too have reasonably contributed to the crisis. SPDC should play a critical role in rehabilitating the people. Proper law enforcement should be efficiently provided to deter lawlessness in the future.
Governor Douye Diri believes in the maintenance of peace in the state as it is the bedrock of development.
We cannot afford fratricidal wars, inter- and intra-communal conflicts that has dotted all the spaces of Southern Ijaw and Bayelsa. It is time for us to come back to those good old days that our forebears lived in peace and harmony.
Also, Governor Diri appealed to the federal government to implement the judgment of the Federal High Court ordering the payment of $951 million to the state.
Litigations and litigations will not bind us together as a people. What is right is right. Clearly, those are monies and finances that are due to these state governments and to the state government of Bayelsa by the Constitution and by the derivation principle. And so I'd like to appeal to the national government to please implement the consent judgment that has been delivered.
Governor Douye Diri says that the state is open to dialogue with the federal government to amicably resolve the matter. Joseph Kunde,